How to change your Deliveroo account from bicycle to motorcycle or car. Hello everyone. If you work as a driver or rider with Deliveroo and you want to change your account from bicycle to motorcycle or car, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step in a very easy way. Watch the video till the end. Step 1. Open the app and start the vehicle change process. First, open the Deliveroo driver app on your phone. Once the app loads, you will see the main screen. Scroll down to the bottom and click on Apply to be a rider here. After entering this section, click here to open the search bar. In the search bar, type Change Vehicle. From the results, select How can I change my vehicle type? On the new page, click here to open the vehicle change request form. Step 2. Complete the vehicle change request form. Do you want to change your account type? Select Yes here. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press OK. Enter your full name here. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press OK. Enter the email address linked to your Deliveroo account here. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press OK. Enter your rider ID here. You can find your rider ID in your account profile. Scroll to the bottom of the page and press OK. Make sure all information you entered is correct and accurate. Finally, press Submit here to send your vehicle change request form. Step 3. Wait for approval. After submitting the request, all you need to do is wait. Deliveroo will review your request. This usually takes 24 to 72 hours. Once approved, your account will be updated. You can start delivering with your new vehicle. If you need more information about Deliveroo, Just Eat, or delivery work, click on these videos and explore our channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you have questions.